CES wouldn't be complete without autonomous cars, and the Detroit Auto Show wouldn't be complete without massive pickup trucks. This year, Ram stepped up to the plate by introducing its next-generation 2500 and 3500 heavy-duty trucks. The heavy-duty trucks are once again available in a wide variety of configurations. This is the 2500 Power Wagon, which is an off-road focused model with black plastic trim. There's even a winch. Ram also sells the 3500 Limited with dual rear wheels, designed primarily for towing. Some models are stripped-out work trucks that you'll see on construction sites. Others are luxurious and priced accordingly. Engine options are just as diverse. The highlight is a 6.7-liter turbo diesel straight six that makes 400 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. You could tow Mount St. Helens with that. Step inside and this big brute is smarter than it looks. Well-equipped models come with a 12-inch touchscreen for Ram's Uconnect infotainment system. The truck also gets a digital display in the instrument cluster. Ram's 2500 and 3500 heavy-duty models will go on sale later in 2019.